Hi, this is Christine Blackledge Crowell here, and I just want to share with you about my vision board.
Hi, so now I have cut out the images from my vision board from the Word document, as you can see here, and I've now put it onto some red photo paper, for example, or red printing paper, just to give it some colour, just so that I can feel vibrant for 2022. And I want you to come round this side so that you can see what it is that I've done, because I think it's really good for you to have a look here. And as you can see here, I've got my role model of who I want to be like, which is Lisa Nichols for 2022. And you can see here, I've got my Vision Board 2022 here, the office, me speaking with Lisa Nichols, for example, and the villa retreats here in Cyprus for women that are in business and leadership as well. Me with my family in the Maldives, where we're renting a villa so that we've all got access, we're all close to one another with our own private pool. You can see there's a lovely slide down there. I can't wait to be there. I really can't wait. Then there's my car here to drive to the office as well. And I've got my two role models that that I want to work with. And I'm working with one already. So, you know, I'm almost there. And so it's Lisa Nichols and Jarek Robbins. They're my mentors for 2022. Family time, like I said, it's important for me to have family time. Eating together with family and friends, that's important to me. And this is my mansion that I want to achieve for 2022. And this is in Cyprus. It will have a jacuzzi, sauna, all of those things that I choose to have, and the glass windows, and it's right by the sea, right by the beach. This is me working towards my fitness goal, my fitness body for 2022, and I'd love for my son Spencer to go to Cambridge University in 2024, but I'm going to keep that every single year till we get to 2024, because he needs to start working towards that now. I've spoken with him and he's happy to be working towards that goal. And social time with friends, and also with my husband, spending time with him as well, having a wonderful year 2022. So that's the vision board. Here, as you can see, is the cork board. So the cork board, I'm going to put the images now onto this, and I'm going to use a pin as well. So if you just want to, you can use blue tack or glue, and you can stick it on the back, and then you could just stick this board up wherever you want to. But I'm going to put this on a board. And then I've got my pins here, which I'm going to use as well. So I've just put my fitness on, I've got my property there, and I'm just placing it on the cork board for you to see, because you want to make sure it all fits on. So I've got my son there, going to Cambridge University. I've got my car, my two cars that I want to achieve this year. And then there's me socializing with friends. I've got my mentors here, and they'll be working with me as a Meta life coach. And I've got family time here, and you place them however you want to have them placed. It's entirely up to you. So Sometimes you have to rearrange things because they may not all fit as you want them to. So I'm just going to move this around slightly. So just fitting them there. I could have cut that a bit more, but that's fine anyway. I've got Lisa Nichols there, waiting for me. And then my office. So I'm just putting this all together because this is how you create your vision. This is how you will create the goals that you want to achieve for 2022. And I've got one at the office and I've also got one at home as well. And so you just place it wherever you want to place them. And then I've got the pins here which I'm going to place as well. I'll just move my board over a bit more so that you can see. And then I'll just push them in with the pin. And this I will hang up like how you saw in my previous video. I put one in the kitchen, in the dining room, but I'm also putting one here in the office as well for me to look at every single day. And this is what I'll be working towards for 2022. And you know what? It's fun doing it. Your family get to know what your goals are as well. And you can talk with family members to see what their vision is for 2022, and the whole family can create one, and then you can create a big vision board for the whole family. But by popular demand I've created this video so that you can see how I created my vision board. It's so rewarding to do this because you are then creating the lifestyle, you're designing the lifestyle that you want to create for you and your loved ones. Almost finished now. And there you have it. My vision board. I'll just put one more pin there. It's enjoyable, but at the same time, instead of we do this right now, resolutions, you know, for the new year, make a start now. Do it now. Then that way you're working towards a really good positive goal. Right, so just continuing on from the vision board, one important key aspect of this is because I won't have this if I don't have a team. And it's important to have your staff members on your side to be able to create this dream that you want to develop for the company, for the goal, and for your personal life as well. So I've added on here my team members because I need this to be able to create the dream and the vision that I have. So you can add whatever you want for yours.